natin is y is equal to c1x plus c2 e raised to x. Dalawa yung constant natin. So, dalawa masya tayo mag-differentiate. So, y prime is equal to c1 plus c2 e raised to x. Y double prime is equal to c2 e raised to x kasi ito magiging 0 na. So, copy natin itong, pwede natin combine yung equation 1, equation 2. So, y prime is equal to is equal to c1 plus c2 e raised to x. Y double prime is equal to c2 e raised to x. Next, multiply natin to by negative 1 para makancel natin itong dalawa. Magiging y double prime minus y prime is equal to negative c1. So, mapapansin natin na itong value ng c1 na to, pwede natin to i-substitute dito. Tapos yung c2 e raised to x, ito lang naman yun. So, pakita ko na lang sa inyo. So, magiging y is equal to c1, copy natin yung original formula, y is equal to c1x plus c2 e raised to x. Para kunin muna natin yung positive value nito kasi positive siya dito para hindi tayo malito. Ay multiply natin to by negative 1, magiging c1 is equal to negative y double prime minus plus y prime. So, substitute natin to. Magiging negative y double prime plus y prime. Kasi ito yan, c1. Ito yung value niya na nasolve natin. X plus c2 e raised to 2x. Alam natin na y double prime siya. So, magiging y double prime. Ngayon, ang gawin na lang natin is simplify natin. Magiging y is equal to negative xy double prime plus xy prime plus y prime. So, multiply natin lahat by negative 1. Magiging negative y. Ay, hindi na pala natin multiply. Kahit hindi na multiply. So, yan. Lipat natin lahat sa left side. Plus xy double prime minus xy prime minus y prime. Y double prime equal to 0. Combine natin yung like sign. So, itong dalawa magiging x minus 1 y double prime. Tapos, ito naman magiging xy prime, copy lang, plus y, ito, equal to 0. So, yan na yung final answer natin.